Understanding Trendy and Hip in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into some popular English phrases, trendy and hip. These terms are often heard in conversations about fashion, style, and popular culture. Let's explore what they really mean and how you can use them in your daily English conversations. The word trendy refers to something that is very fashionable or up to date. It's often used to describe clothes, gadgets, or even ideas that are popular at a particular time. When something is trendy, it means a lot of people like it and it's considered stylish. For example, wearing smartwatches is quite trendy these days. Moving on to hip. This is a slightly older term but still widely used. It describes something or someone who is very fashionable and in tune with the latest trends, but with a bit of an edge. Being hip is not just about following trends, but also about having a unique sense of style or perspective. For example, she listens to underground bands. She's really hip. Now, let's compare. While both terms are related to being fashionable, trendy often implies following mainstream trends, whereas hip suggests a more independent approach to fashion or culture. You might say, his clothes are always trendy, versus her taste in music is very hip. It's important to use these terms in the right context. Saying something is trendy is usually a compliment, indicating it's popular and desirable. Describing someone as hip can also be a compliment, suggesting they are cool and have a unique style. Practice using these words in sentences to get comfortable with them. That's all about trendy and hip. Remember, language is not just about words but understanding the culture behind them. I hope this video helps you confidently use these terms in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.